Hey beauties! So I decided to do a get ready with me since I have an event to go to. And I'm going to show y'all the outfit a little later. But I'm going to do a chit chat with you guys because I don't feel that I talk to you guys enough on a personal level. So that's basically what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to talk until I run out of stuff to say, and then I'll just speed it up. Okay, for the products, I already primed my face with some milk and magnesium because I have oily skin, and no matter what, it's gonna all up. So I'm gonna start with this black opal. I'm probably not gonna show. I'll leave a list if y'all even care, but I'll leave a list of products that I'm using down below. Well, this will seem like it's almost out. So, ooh, this seems like it's gonna be a lot. So I just put a dot on there because I'm telling you that's like the truth, and then I'm spraying it. This is the truth. It's gonna cover everything, even though it looks like it's coming off a little orangey. So, hello to all the beauties out there. Hi to all my new ones. I know I got quite a bit of new beauties out there, so hello. My name is Robin, if you have never seen me. I do plus size, practically everything. Try to find affordable clothing and stuff like this, like get ready with me's and, you know, different things. So I just basically want to come on and chit chat with you guys, and practically just to tell y'all thank you for subscribing. I know I tell y'all that a lot, but literally when I first started this channel, I literally had, I think, my daughter, she subscribed. I know it's looking kind of orange, but it really isn't. The lighting situation, but anyways, I had literally my daughter who subscribed to me, and I think I asked some of my family members to subscribe to me. I don't know if they did or didn't. I don't know if they even watched my videos, some of them, because a lot of them would come up to me and be like, oh, that's cute, where'd you get it? And I'd be like, that was in my video. That means you didn't watch it. So when I first started, I was kind of really going to do like a couple videos, and then, you know, that would be it. But you guys have shown me so much love in like the past year. I'm like close to the 1,000, not yet, but close to 1,000. So that what made me say, well, I'm not just talking to a camera. Someone's actually out there watching me. And I really appreciate it. And matter of fact, I'm gonna put, I guess I'll put her right here or somewhere. Hope you don't mind, but I'm gonna put her right there because she watches my videos and she always comment. And she just recently gave me a little bit about her life, what's going on with her. And I would like to say hello to you and wish you all the best. I hope that everything goes well in your lane. So now I've done that, I'm just gonna, I guess, set my face. Now I'm setting my face, but I'm gonna do the highlights. And this is nothing but LA Pro. Everybody know what that is. And the color is medium beige. So I decided to do this since I think the last time I did it was last year. So I decided to do a get ready with me. And, you know, I'm not really the one that do makeup. So if I'm doing it wrong, I don't care. I know how to do something to make my face look like something, but I don't know. I mostly learned how to do makeup from my daughter, believe it or not, and a little bit of YouTube. Now I'm gonna tell you, the only person that has really taught me was kind of Patrick Starr. Y'all need to look him up. If you know how to do makeup, he makes it very simple. But really my daughter is the one, because she likes to do makeup. She's supposed to be doing that, going to beauty school. So let me blend this out. And what I'm spraying is some homemade rose water because I have roses. My husband brought me some roses, a rose bush, because I always tell him not to spend all that money. He used to always get roses delivered, and even though you're not supposed to find out how much it was, but I ended up finding out how much it was, and I'm like, what? For 6 roses that's gonna die? I know it's supposed to be about the thought, y'all, but I'll be like, for 6 roses or 12 roses that's gonna die in a week? I know you ain't pay that much. So he went and brought me a rose bush. I don't know why I'm doing this first and not my eyeshadow, but the outfit that I have picked out is I decided to wear the leopard bodysuit and a black dress. Matter of fact, I did a haul on that, so that haul probably will be out before this video, but I did a haul on it, and it was from Forever 21. I was supposed to have an outfit that came from Fashion Nova, but let me tell you, Fashion Nova, I don't know, they need to get it together because I'm still kind of waiting on I'm waiting for them to process. I'm waiting for them to process my order. And I was kind of disgusted because I was supposed to wear that today, but whatever, I guess. But I was real disgusted. It's like I had to spend extra money. Okay, so next, this is it's a luxury baking powder. I got it at Ulta. It's by Revlolution. And that's basically what I'm gonna do. And then maybe I do this backwards. I don't know. I always do it like this. But I know I see a lot of people who put their eyeshadows on first, and then they put their foundation and stuff on. This is coming off very kind of orangey. So what was I talking about? I can't do this, both things, talking and do makeup at the same time. So I was talking about what was I talking about? I forget. So this is Morphe palette, and it's basically 3502 Second Nature. This is what I'm going to use to do my eyeshadow with. So it's kind of going to be a basic slash glam. Not really glam, because I don't really know how to do glam stuff, but I like to look natural, put it that way. I'll try to give you the names of these, but I really don't know what the names are. But I'm just gonna go up in there with this. Come on now, this and that color, and I'll try to get the names and put everything in the link below. Before I do that, I mean, I already primed it, but let me get some concealer. Oh, that's what I was talking about. Okay, so I was talking about people who subscribe to me. So you guys came and y'all really made a sister feel like something to keep going. So I decided that maybe this video is gonna be my last video of this year, and hopefully next year I will be to my 1,000 or over my 1,000, and hopefully I'll have companies want me to try their product. Who knows? Who knows? I had companies approach me and ask me to review a product for them, but my thing is, when I look at, I always ask, you know, to see their site. I always go to their site first, and if their site is, you know, legit and the prices look right, then, you know, I'll do it. But if their prices are not, it's like, no, because I don't really want to bring something to my channel where I probably wouldn't never shop at. You know, if I feel that I would shop there, then yeah, I'll do it. So a lot of companies, I just been like, no thank you, because I don't like their prices. And I know a lot of people, they do it regardless, because, you know, this is full-time job for them, and I ain't knocking their style, so they'll review whatever there is. But for me, I have to, you know, actually shop there. I want to shop there myself. The prices got to be good, because obviously you guys came to me because you want to save some money. Got to be. Because that's all I'm about. So let me see, I'm trying to hurry up. This is by NYX, and it's like a foil shadow, and I'm just gonna put that on as like a base. And they got like sparkles. I don't know if you can see it a little bit, but it sparkles. And that's what I'm gonna put on as a base. And this makeup, I'm telling you, when I'm doing a kindergarten can do it. Because I don't know too much about makeup. I don't do anything complex. I can tell you right there. Anything, if it's complex, nope, that's not me. As you seen, I use my hand for that. Now I'm trying to mimic what I've seen. Because I've seen this. Okay, so now I'm going to go with this palette, which I love the colors and stuff in this palette. And I'm going to use, I don't know how to pronounce none of these names, so don't even ask me. But I am going to show y'all if I can find my brush. I'm going to go with the gold. That one right there. Go with the gold, and I put it on my lid. So basically, that is pretty much it, y'all. I just wanted to pop in. I actually want to say hello to everyone. I hope that everyone is going to be safe out there during these holiday seasons, because when I tell you that these people are out here crazy, they're crazy. You know, I just, there's two people that I know. One died in a car accident, and another one is in the hospital right now. Drunk drivers hit them. One woman hit this chick head on the interstate. She was coming on the interstate on the wrong way, and she hit her, and she killed her. She killed her, she killed the man behind her, and then she killed, could you please go turn it off? I'm sorry, y'all, that's my my daughter cooking. But she killed the first car. I mean, the girl that I know. She killed the second car, the person that was in the second car, and she also killed herself. And she was a third offender DWI. She had just got out of jail the day before, and they let her out. She had, I think she had went to jail that Tuesday for DWI. She went to jail that Wednesday for it was for drinking, what was it, being intoxicated in public, something like that. And then they let her out, and then she turned around and went to, I think it was that Thursday, it was Thanksgiving Day, matter of fact. So it was Thanksgiving Day, and she was out drinking, and she came on the interstate the wrong way, and she killed her. She killed herself too, but she killed 2 other folks in the process on Thanksgiving Day. So y'all be very careful out there, because people are crazy. I'm using this black, and this is in, oh, this is Morphe, I forgot. It's another Morphe palette. This one is Color Burst 35B. So I don't use a Morphe because I heard so many people say Morphe is the bomb, which it is. The color come off really good. The color payoff come off really good, and I'm kind of darkening this up real good. And y'all see how I'm doing this like elementary? So anybody can do this makeup. I'm telling y'all, anybody can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Okay? So I'm just gonna try to blend this out. But I'm gonna blend it out with one of those colors that I just had. And I'm gonna hurry up because I'm running my mouth. Alright, I'm kind of finished blending out. I think I need to blend some more right up in here because every time I look on camera, it's looking like it's not blended. So that's what they always say, blend, blend, blend. And I'm just using a fluffy brush to just blend. I'm probably gonna be doing this for a long time. I know it kind of sounds boring. I feel myself sounding kind of boring. So I'm going to put my wing on because it's going to take me a long time. And I'm going to put on my lashes, and I will be back to show you the finished look and probably do something with this hair. And after that, I will show you the outfit because I know that's what you guys came to see. All right, I'll be back. So beauties, that is basically it. These lashes gonna bug me, but I feel like I'm gonna fly away. So now let me get dressed, put my earrings on, do all that extra stuff, and put some nails on, do all that extra stuff, and I will be back to show you the outfit.